But his words killing me so hardly with his song.
Another day, another event by DB Lights and Sound. Today, we're handling two simultaneous events, both acoustic setups. These events have intimate venues with a limited number of guests, so we designed our setup to match the space perfectly. DB Lights and Sound still delivers powerful, high-quality audio that fills the room without overwhelming it. To keep things clean and efficient, we're going for a more compact setup. Instead of using the traditional stage monitor speakers, we're upgrading it to in-ear monitors, just like Justin Bieber and Sabrina Carpenter are using during their performances at Coachella. Minimalist setups, better control, and crystal clear sound, perfect for these cozy events. If you want to hear the signature sound of JBL, book our services only at DB Lights and Sound. Time to set up, let's go!
Okay guys, another day, another event by Team DB Lights and Sound. Dito kami ngayon sa Happy Homes Candelaria for an acoustic setup. Of course, this is private event, 50th birthday. Right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming in-ear monitor. Gagamitin natin ito mamaya para sa acoustic duo. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung aming acoustic setup. Meron kami naka-setup na dalawang column array. This is JBL Eon column array. Tapos meron tayong JBL Eon 715. So yun, sa ganito kaliit na lugar, usually naglalagay kami ng head rush. Pero right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung use ng in-ear monitor. Ito nga pala yung ating in-ear IEM kung tawagin. So papakita ko lang sa inyo, meron siyang volume, meron siyang channel. So pag binuhay ko siya ngayon, magti-trigger yung ilaw na green. It means siya ay connected dun sa ating transmitter. Meron siyang 6 na channel. Nasa channel 2 tayo ngayon. Yung transmitter natin ay nasa channel 2. So yung dalawa nito, ginagamit ng ating banda na naandun. Ang function nga pala nito is for personal monitoring. Maririnig mo ng detailed yung mga instrument at saka yung vocal na gumagamit ng in-ear monitor. Say for example, pwede nating pababain yung instrument, pwede nating palakasin yung instrument na maririnig ng singer. Yan. So makikita niyo sa mga concert, yung mga pros gumagamit na nito. Kaya less na yung stage monitor sa kanilang stage. Yung second function nga pala nito is for noise cancellation. Since meron kang IEM, nakalagay ito sa tenga ng singer, mas less na yung maririnig nila na stage noise. Ang third function nga pala nito, of course, dahil noise cancellation, mapoprotektahan din ito yung kanilang ears kapag sobrang lakas ng music. Number 4, yung audio accuracy. Mas maririnig mo ng detail yung mga instrument, yung like bass, guitar, keyboard, at saka yung vocal. Yung benefits ng in-ear monitor is for portability and convenience. Of course, pwede kang gumalaw, pwede kang sumayaw sa stage with in-ear monitor. Since maliit lang siya, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa likod. Tapos yung piece mo, yung earpiece, pwede mong padaanin dito sa likod para hindi kita. Ito nga pala yung kanyang transmitter at ito yung kanyang receiver. Ang isang transmitter, kaya niya mag-accommodate na 6 na receiver. Ang price nga pala nito sa guitar pusher is around 10,000 to 12,000 pesos. Depende kung naka-sale sila.
Agmasdan ng iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang, di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis sa